Baking a moist chocolate cake. Baking a moist chocolate cake is a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth. You will need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of sugar, 75 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 eggs, 240 milliliters of milk, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 240 milliliters of boiling water. Start by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well until the batter is smooth. Carefully add the boiling water to the batter, mixing well. The batter will be thin, but this is what makes the cake moist. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy the moist and rich chocolate cake with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream.